Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. With Easter holidays wrapped up, I'm sure you have a lot of Easter plastic eggs left behind. After paying the amazing Easter egg hunt, I'm sure that you're looking for some DIY activities that you can do with your kids using these plastic eggs. All you will need is a printable from Powerful Mothering, which I will link in the description below, and some plastic eggs. All the child has to do is select the perfect color and then make the pattern. This activity is great for visual discrimination, one-to-one correspondence, and of course recognition of colors. So let's see, how do we do this? So we have our patterns ready, we have our eggs ready, so let's start with making the patterns. This is a nice fine motor skill activity because the child has to actually snap close the eggs. Hope you like this video. I have more activities coming up with the Easter eggs, so don't throw them away. Save them all. Happy learning.